What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit skins in Minecraft. Well, actually it is an app called Tynker where you can add your own skins of your choice. Today in the app Tynker you can code, edit blocks, items, skins and mobs of Minecraft. First what I'll do is skins and get the skin called Ninja, which is right here, and I tap on it. I enter it and now I can edit it with my finger, as you can see. Okay, first what I'll do is get a specific color, which is over here somewhere. Yes, here. Press done. Get fill, and first I'll make his head in this color. There we go. Now I made his head, now his stomach. Boom, and done. Now his hands. There, and now his other hand. And almost done. Okay, there we go. Now his legs. Okay. There we go. Now his other leg. There you go, and bottom part of it. Now as you can see, I made his whole body in that color except the bottom parts. There we go. Now what I'll do is go to his head and get a specific color and exchange with a color which I'll never use. There we go, and press done. Now I'll get some goggles. There we go. Boom. And just make this part. Okay. There we go. I made his face. Now his stomach. The same thing in his stomach. Just add a few. There we go. And on the same thing on the back side of the stomach. There we go. Boom. Now I finished his back part, and now to his shoes. There we go. Boom, and done. Wait, on the bottom part. There we go. Now I go to his fist and make some gloves which will look really cool. Okay. Okay, almost done. Now the bottom part only remaining, and in this hand I'm done. Okay, boom. Okay, there we go. Now what I'll do is I'll go to his shoulder, and there we go. And to the back part also I'll do the same thing. There we go. And now for the finishing touch, I'll make him that, and I'm gonna make headphones with a shade of red. There we go. And done. I made him headphones, and we have basically done the skin. And I'm just gonna, as you can see, there's an armor button on the right corner, and I'm gonna press that. You can see there's something like a ribbon on his head because he's a ninja. This is the final preview of the skin. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe with your friends and family. Bye for now. See you in the next video.